Over 500,000 people in Madagascar currently rely on small-scale fisheries for their livelihoods. The Mihari Network was created in 2012 to amplify the voices of these small-scale fishers at the local, national, and international level. The network is now made up of more than 200 community associations and 23 support organizations. 2018 was an impactful year for Mihari. A year of new commitments, community exchanges, advocacy for marine conservation, and working towards a better future for small-scale fishers across the country. In 2017, the Mihari National Forum brought together representatives from small-scale fisheries across Madagascar to decide on the network's future. The members expressed a desire to establish a national office for Mihari and to develop a strategy for the coming years, a clear indication of the importance of Mihari's role in supporting small-scale fishers. Last year, we met these goals, establishing a national office and developing a strategy to guide our work between now and 2021. On the 6th of March 2018, the 23 organizations who make up Mihari signed the network's charter, a statement uniting members by a common mission and vision. After Mihari's 6th year, this is a powerful affirmation of our shared values. Mihari acts as the representative of small-scale fishers all over Madagascar. That means that we work to unite fishers and ensure that concrete actions are being made for more sustainable management of Madagascar's marine and coastal resources. With other Malagasy civil society organizations, Mihari has raised public awareness on issues which present a threat to marine and coastal resources and could seriously affect the future generation of fishers. The date of the 19th of July 2018 will forever be anchored in Mihari's history. The Minister of Fisheries publicly pledged to provide fishing zones reserved for small-scale fishers, the first of its kind in Madagascar and a major win for small-scale fishers' rights. Mihari continued its role of coordinator and leader in 2018 by organizing 4 regional workshops in the northwestern, southern, northeastern, and central western regions. More than 400 participants share their experiences with the aim of promoting good management practices for marine resources in their region and throughout Madagascar. 2 inter-regional workshops on the crab fattening sector, followed by a national one, which were attended by 179 participants. Mihari also extended its scope by recruiting regional coordinators in 2 of regional hubs, the Northeast and the Central Western Coast. The Mihari Secretariat, hosted by Blue Ventures, is now composed of a team of 13, including partners from WCS and WWF. One of the major milestones reached this year was the establishment of our national office. At each regional workshop we held in 2018, a regional vice president was elected, 4 in total. These vice presidents will work together with their regional office members to further Mihari's goal. They will be working closely with the national president, Hermani Emwant, elected during the 4th Mihari National Forum in Fort-Dauphin in 2017. So, what else has Mihari achieved this year? Here is Mihari's 2018 in numbers. More than 15,000 propagules planted for mangrove reforestation in Madagascar. Over 20 new LMMAs established. A total of 23 NGO partners now make up the network. 4 regional workshops involving more than 400 participants were held, as well as 2 inter-regional workshops on the crab sector, followed by a national workshop in which Madagascar's crab sector was thoroughly appraised. More than 300 leaders were trained in financial management, in how to run an association, and in advocacy. There is much more to do in 2019. Together, Mihari's national office Secretariat, member organizations, and other partners and friends are planning to set up new opportunities for the exchange of resources, experiences, and ideas for the future amongst our partners. Promote the LMMA approach in Madagascar through a national symposium and the launch of an LMMA guide and database. Extend our reach in a fifth region to include and empower more fishers from central western coast of Madagascar, taking steps towards a resilient and autonomous Mihari network. Thank you for an amazing 2018. Let's make twice as much effort for better marine and coastal resource management in Madagascar in 2019.